Inspection. Inspect the flywheel. Is there wear, cracks, or burn marks on the sliding surface against the clutch disc? Inspect the runout when installed on the engine. Set a dial indicator and measure runout through at least 2 full turns. Push the flywheel against the crankshaft each time you turn it, not to be affected by the crankshaft thrust washer clearance. If the runout is more than service limit in the shop manual, replace the flywheel. Flywheel replacement. Removal. When removing the flywheel, lock the ring gear using the special tool. Unscrew the flywheel mounting bolts in a crisscross pattern in several steps. Remove the flywheel. Installation. Install the flywheel and install the bolts temporarily. Screw the mounting bolts in a crisscross pattern in several steps. Lock the ring gear using the special tool. To complete, tighten the bolts to the specified torque using a torque wrench. Installation of the clutch disc and pressure plate. Using the special tool, lock the ring gear. Apply grease to the splines of the clutch disc. Install the clutch disc on the flywheel using the alignment tool. Install the pressure plate aligning the dwell pin positions. Install the bolts and tighten them lightly. Check that the disc is placed at the center. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern. To complete, tighten them to the specified torque using a torque wrench. Remove the special tools. Check that the diaphragm spring fingers are within the service limit of height. Release bearing inspection and replacement. Removal and inspection. In order to remove the release bearing, remove the release fork. First, remove the release fork boot. Using pliers, remove the release fork set spring. Remove the release fork and release bearing from the main shaft. While removing the release bearing, check that the bearing moves smoothly on the guide of the main shaft. Check the boss at housing side for wear or damage. Installation. Before installation, check the release bearing for excessive play. Check also that the bearing turns smoothly. If it's not smooth, replace the bearing. When you install the bearing, clean each part of the bearing and apply grease to them. Refer to the shop manual for the specific location of grease application. With this model, apply grease to the release fork contact points, to the release bolt, and the slave cylinder push rod. Apply grease to the release bearing guide. Apply grease to the release bolt too. Apply grease to the release bearing. With the release bearing installed to the main shaft halfway, insert the release fork through the hole of the housing aligning the tips of the fork with the release bearing pawls, and push in the release bearing with the fork to its proper position on the main shaft. Align the detent of the release fork with the release fork bolt, then push in the release fork against the bolt. Make sure that the set spring is properly fitted, and the fork bearing moves properly too. If it's not smooth, replace the bearing. Install the fork boot.